Hey YouTubers, so here I've constructed two more laser devices here from scratch using eBay surplus and computer parts. So let me do a quick rundown of how I put these together, and then we can get to testing and see what they can do to certain materials. As for the driver, they're both very similar. They both use the LM317T semiconductor, except this one uses a 33k ohm resistor, and this one over here uses a 39k ohm resistor. As for the power source, I'm reusing some computer power supplies. These are Thermaltake power supplies, which are efficient for this type of application. This one's rated for 550 watts of power, and this one over here is rated for 430 watts of power. As for the wiring, I've modified the power rails so that they output a voltage of 7 volts. As for the laser diode modules, it's really quite simple. I simply heat sinked the original form factor onto some silicone, onto a thermal pad, and onto a heat sink. These are both class 3B lasers that I extracted from DVD burners, and they both have an output power of about 200 to 250 milliwatts, probably closer to 250 milliwatts. This is a DVD writer model DRW24 Fist, also known as Fisty, because she will punch you straight in the face if you're not careful. And right over here I have a relatively simple and similar laser diode setup. Both of these laser modules have a lens that's mounted at the front. So without further ado, let's get to testing. Now I'll go ahead and flip the switch on both units for multiple red outputs. Alright, now we can do some material tests here. Here's a couple matches. And plumber's tape.